Welcome to the Motown India show. We are here at the Hyundai Motor India plant in Sriperumbudur near Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu. This is a plant which was set up in 1996. The first car to have rolled out from here is that iconic Santro. We're going to take you on a round of this plant to see how it's progressed and what it's making and how modern it is. Keep watching. When busloads of journalists from all across the country stepped into the sprawling Hyundai plant in Sriperumbudur in Tamil Nadu, they had their eyes wide open. They were hoping to get a glimpse of the new Santro that would soon be launched in the country. Codenamed AH2, the new Santro would not be known as the Santro. Rather, a name would be decided soon because the car will be launched during the coming festive season. The Santro car sold more than 1.85 million units worldwide, and they were all made in this India plant of Hyundai Motors. The festive season in the country usually starts immediately after Dussehra, and that would be in October. So festivals like Durga Puja and Diwali happen in and around October-November. Rest assured, the new small contemporary family car will be launched in October-November 2018. Beginning August 16, a naming campaign would start for the new family car. Hyundai Motor India Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer YK Koo told journalists that the company will be launching 8 new products between 2018 and 2020, including an electric SUV. The electric SUV will be launched in the second half of 2019. The electric SUV will be imported as a completely knocked down unit. This plant will finally be producing electric vehicles too. Incidentally, Hyundai Motor India is also celebrating 20 years of its existence in the country. It was in 1996 that the South Korean auto major had invested US $3.1 billion to set up a plant near Chennai, and the vendors had invested another US $1.5 billion. In 1998, the iconic Santro was launched with Bollywood heartthrob Shah Rukh Khan as its brand ambassador. The rest, they say, is history. Santro, the tall boy designed small car, became an instant hit, and Hyundai, a name unknown among Indian families, became a household name. Spread across a total area of 536 acres and along with advanced manufacturing 4.0 production, equipped with over 590 Generation 4 robos, quality and testing capabilities along with flexible engine plants, Hyundai Motor India today has a production capacity of 7.13 lakh units, which will increase to 7.50 lakh units in 2019 by smart engineering. The plant is currently running at almost 100% capacity utilization. The company plans to roll out 10 million cars in the first half of 2021. Today, the company produces and sells cars like the Eon, Grand i10, Accent, Elite i20, Live Premium, i20, Live Active, Verna, Elantra, Creta and Tucson at the plant. The company is the second largest car manufacturer in India and the largest car exporter in the country. The Hyundai plant near Chennai consists of 2 plants with modern press shops, body shops, paint shops, welding shops, engine and transmission shops, assembly area and delivery locations. Now, coming to the car codenamed AH2, we had to return a bit disappointed not to have had a glimpse of it, even in a camouflaged attire. But then no one was complaining. I, for one, was sure that the new car will definitely be worth the wait.